Welcome to the Domin Technology Centre, our manufacturing and engineering hub here in the UK. This facility was built to develop and deliver our new and existing technologies at scale. It brings me great pleasure to show you around our manufacturing side of the facility today. Let's start at the beginning of our processes, metal 3D printing. At Domin, metal 3D printing is an enabling technology, not only for our products, but also for scaling our processes and rapid product development. We print only where we add value. This means that we can maximise the potential of these tools as well as our products. Our 3 machines run round the clock to produce tens of thousands of parts every year. Our partnership with Renishaw allows us to drive innovation and productivity improvements so we can continue to scale, maximise utilisation and improve quality. We innovate throughout our processes, which includes developing our own in-house equipment to improve quality and drive productivity. After printing, all of our parts go through post-processing. The first step in that process is the build plate removal, which is done on our bandsaw. This automated machine has in-process monitoring to ensure quality. We also have our parts washer, our heat treatment furnace and our laser marker for serialised traceability. Our horizontal 4-axis mill removes support material and adds critical features to our manifolds. This machine runs lights out with hundreds of parts loaded and continuous operation. We achieve this through on-machine probing, laser tool detection and innovative fixture design. This process allows us to scale to tens of thousands of manifolds which are core to our valve product. Breaking down our operations, we've been able to simplify our machining process. That's allowed us to then automate through this machine and we can replicate it through the multiple fixtures that you can see in front of me now. The automated turning cell prepares our spool components for finishing operations. This involves robotic loading and unloading, automated changeovers and in-process monitoring. With tool breakage detection, we can run 24/7 lights out operations. These automated changeovers allow us to run our full suite of parts in one single setup, producing hundreds of parts per day. The implementation of automation allows us to remove repetitive manual operations. That means we can utilise the skill sets of the people that we have where they're needed most. Honing is a finishing operation that we complete on our manifolds and spools. This process achieves sub-micron accuracy, which allows us to repeatedly produce components independently of one another. This allows us to achieve excellent leakage and dynamic performance. Like with other processes, this is soon to be fully automated with in-process monitoring. Our high-volume automated production line is supplemented by our prototyping cell. Here we machine prototypes, prove out new designs and trial productivity improvements. Within this cell we have turning capabilities, 5-axis milling, wire EDM and cylindrical grinding. This allows us to speed up our time to market and really drive innovation throughout our whole product lines. Following on from our finishing operations, we bring our parts here to the edge measurement rig. This has been designed and manufactured in-house. It's allowed us to onboard grinding as a capability and it's completely changed the way in which we make valves. We can load automatically, remove changeovers and streamline that process. We can take data directly from the cloud and upload it to machines so they all talk to one another. Following on from our hydraulic edge measurement, we come to our Studer S33 grinder. This grinder is the first in the world with the R-axis. What this allows us to do is accurately cut the edges of our spools to match them to our manifolds. The process has been set up such that we can remove any changeovers, seamlessly transitioning between product lines. This has allowed us to drastically reduce our cutting and matching processes and improve the quality of our match sets. This process allows us to integrate our edge measurement and translate data from one machine to the next. Now, in our assembly lines, all of the parts that we've machined earlier in the process come together with those that we've sourced through our trusted partnership network and global supply chain. We embed quality throughout our processes and verify that through end-of-line testing. This ensures that all of our products meet customer specifications. This was just a glimpse at the capabilities that we have here at the Domin Technology Centre. We've continued to scale, improving our quality and product performance. Through all of these process improvements, we're now operating in many of our processes 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We've set the blueprint for what our operations look like. Now the next step for us is to replicate that elsewhere.